Hey guys! I'm so excited to finally get you another video. Sorry that it's been so long. What I'm not so excited about is that I may not see you tomorrow. Instead of making lame excuses and being all whiny, maybe I should just show you why. Come with me. Yep. Isn't it pretty? Look at all that crazy, gross, slippery white junk. That's jeopardizing all of our crazy antics. Oh, and someone just pulled up. Hi there. I'm just a creeper, videotaping you from my bedroom window. I figured that I better at least send you a video of my crazy antics if you can't see me tomorrow. 'Cause what is Thanksgiving if not a showcase of Danielle's crazy antics? Yeah, pretty much. You know how most people collect things like classic cars, or rocks, or stamps, or belly button lint? Yeah. Well, I do something a little bit different. Something that I've been collecting lately are sound effects. Not just any sound effects. Girl sound effects. Now, girl sound effects open up a whole new world of wonderful possibilities for me. They're just magical. They're always interesting, always different, and distinctly hilarious. Some of the ones that I have heard are... And those aren't even the best ones. The real creme de la creme when it comes to girl sound effects are things like explosions, kaboom! And then he was like, kaboom, like a total explosion, gunshot sounds, pew pew! Heavy machinery, manly grunts. What else am I leaving out here?
Fly, 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 fly. Whoosh.
I once actually heard this really awesome girl do a Wookiee sound. It went a little something like this. Yeah, she was pro. If I were a dude, I'd be into her. Yeah. I know that just watching me do these things probably isn't that great, so I may just reapproach this again when everybody comes back from Thanksgiving break and do some interviews of some real live girls and get their own sound effects, because seriously, we need to understand the coolness that is the girl sound effect. Until then, or hopefully when I see you next, I'm hoping that I'm not going to be snowed in. I'll catch you guys later. Love you, have a fantastic Thanksgiving. Thumbs up. Who gives thumbs up to their best friends? I'll give you an air hug. How about that? Okay, get ready. Here it comes.